Hi, I'm Rich Lure with the Airstream Life Store, and today I want to talk about electrical connector maintenance. This is an important piece of maintenance that nobody really thinks about, and very few people do, but it's very important. For example, if you've got plugged your Airstream into your tow vehicle, and your tow vehicle is saying that the lights don't work on the Airstream, it's probably a dirty electrical connection. Or if you're getting a lot of heat at the plug, when you plug in your air conditioner, or you run your air conditioner on a hot day and the plug heats up, that's because you haven't maintained the connections. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the end of the power cord. Now, the connections on this one are shiny brass. That's the way they should look. This one is nice and clean. So electricity is going to flow through it very well without building up heat. But if it's not clean, it's going to turn brown or black or maybe even green or copper colored. And once it does that, the heat starts to build up and that plug will melt. We sell an electrical connector maintenance kit specifically for taking care of this problem. It's got 4 pieces in it. It's got something called deoxit, which is a cleaner that helps get oxidation off metal connections. It also comes with this tiny file, which is called a burnishing tool for cleaning up the connections. And it comes with some dielectric grease for protecting the connections after you've cleaned them so that corrosion doesn't build up as quickly. And of course, it comes with a handy guide to explain exactly how to use it. What I recommend is every time you plug your Airstream in, whether it's the 7-way connection to the truck or the power connection, take a look and make sure that that connection looks nice and clean, shiny and clean, like this one. This is my dog bone. This is for connecting to a 50 amp connection. I've got to check both ends of it. Don't forget to check the receptacle end. And here's my adapter for connecting to household power. And again, check both ends of it. And if it's dirty, put a drop of deoxit on the file, just 1 drop will do, and get in there and scrub that connection until it looks shiny again. It's particularly important on the 7-way plug, and that's why this file is so small, so it will fit inside these connections and help you get them nice and clean. I recommend you do this at least every year, perhaps in the springtime when you de-winterize the Airstream, but it's a good idea to take a look at these connections every time you use them to see if maybe they're getting a little funky. And carry an electrical maintenance kit with you in the Airstream, because when you need it, you really need it. Sometimes you can't wait until you get home, or you might risk a serious problem. The electrical connector maintenance kit is dead simple to use, and it's available in the Airstream Life Store.